Good morning, everybody. Forex market situation update. Welcome back. Today's Tuesday, and as you can see, I'm just about to load up on the position for the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. We've been hanging around here for quite some time. It had been a bumpy ride, to say the least. We got in when price action first broke above 69.62. We kind of determined that level to be our main trigger level for an upside reversal. Ever since price action was deeping all the way to 68.81, we were kind of waiting for that, for that turnaround to come. When price action crossed over 69.62, that was the moment we took action. But like I said, it had been a bumpy ride. Price didn't go exactly the way we were hoping for, which was just a consistently, move was gonna take us straight to the target. Instead, it started to go back and forth. It was very noisy. It was hectic. It was all over the place. But the fact of the matter is that on its way down just a couple of days ago, it landed at 69.62 and failed to break below that level. We saw that as a very encouraging sign, and that's why we just stayed put, right? We just stick with this position, and we were waiting for price action to start shooting for the stars. Looks like today is that day, right? Because price action started right on top of that same support level. That was just today, guys, just a few hours ago, and started to shoot itself all the way to where it's trading right now. As you can see, 70.10. So looks like we're back in business big time. And on the background of that, I'm ready to load up 5K on top of the 10 we already have here. We're gonna have a slight adjustment for the stop loss level. Currently it's 69. I'm gonna push it by 20 pip to 69.20. Target, of course, remains the same, 70.53. So right now we're having 3 trades which complete a full position of $15,000 right now as we're closing in on target. 70.53, guys, that's the target, so that means about 40 pip to go. Hopefully we're gonna have one more chance to throw in one more trade into the mix, and if price action, of course, will continue to push forward, we're gonna come fresh tomorrow and try to increase the position even further, unless, of course, price is gonna go straight to the target, and then we're gonna be out and looking for opportunities somewhere else. I should also adjust the stop loss level on the other 2 trades that we have here. So there you go, all trades are in line with the stop loss level at 69.20. all right, that should be sufficient enough to keep us safe here. After all, we are hiding below 69.62 for protection. We've seen it. It had been pretty stiff support. It had been pretty stiff support mostly yesterday and the day before. So we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, price is hammering. We're gonna come back soon to follow up on the situation, and of course we're gonna keep you posted. That's about that for this one, New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Next one is gonna be as interesting, if not even more. We're gonna talk about the euro versus the US dollar. Yes, we're still there, hanging tight, but there is an important update, so don't miss out on that one. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Take care.